Hey!
Welcome to Pearlstone! Glad to have you with us. Here's the retreat center. And this is where we start our tour for the day.
The way we start our tours here at Pearlstone, especially with children, is we play a game called Run and Scream. It has two rules. You run and you scream. Here we'll give a demonstration. 1, 2, 3. He says hey too. Welcome to our animal pasture. This is our goat pen in the pasture. You're currently saying hello to Nechama right here.
And Basheret over here. And they're very friendly, they love to cuddle, so when you come visit Pearlstone, come on down and say hello to them. Give them a couple pats, they'll be very happy to see you.
And here are our sheep. Oh.
Hi again.
Hey.
This is the educational farm. Pearlstone's pretty special because on its 180 acres, it has a retreat center, it has an educational farm, it has a 4 production farm, it has 3 pools, 3 zip lines, an entire ropes course that's really fun. Come down and join us for that. It has so much to offer, and this is one of our prime programming spaces here, the educational farm.
Come look. So here we have a lot of our leafy green vegetables. Right there we have chard growing. Here we have a flower garden, some lavender and some herbs, like some thyme, some spring onion, and mint. This is our greenhouse over here, and we're going to show you that in 1 second.
Hey! This is our lovely fig tree. Let's see if there's any that's ripe. You gotta search
I got
sometimes.
one.
Oh my gosh, me too! Delicious.
Mmm.
Ching.
Cheese.
Delicious.
Hey, welcome to the calendar garden. This is the place where we teach children and guests the cycle of the Jewish year as it relates to the Earth's natural cycles, and specifically our agricultural cycle. So here, this is our Elul garden. It's got some really big sunflowers. This summer we had tomatoes and peppers and eggplants growing. There are still some left for us.
Thanks for joining us on our last stop. This is Blueberry Hill. As you can see right over here, we have our lovely blueberry bushes. In a couple of years, they'll be right big, bushy, and full of blueberries. And you guys can come over here and pick them. We also over there have our strawberry you pick too. They're delicious. They're so sweet. Everything here is organic, so you can literally eat it off the bush. Over here we have our high tunnels. We grow tomatoes, cucumbers, beautiful zinnia flowers. And over here we have our lake. Can't go swimming, but you can enjoy a lovely kayak, canoe, paddle boat ride on the lake. So I really hope you guys get to come and visit this beautiful space with us at sunset. It's really magical, and you know, it'd be really great to have you see it in person. So hope to see you soon. Bye. And that's Sarah saying bye.
Bye.